we are showing you how to do. So come out, count 5 blocks and then insert the needle inside. Again skip one block, come up and go, count 5 blocks and go inside. So this is how you do the running stitch. This is the primary stage. The second will be, you will do the smaller counts very close. Yeah, so this is how you do the running stitch. So now we are teaching you the chain stitch. There's a loop that you get when you do the chain stitch. So now we're showing you a step ahead. We're trying the chain stitch. So first chain stitch, you again take the thread, double it, tie it up, and now roll the thread around the needle and then pull it out. Now go again inside the loop, come out, roll your thread around the needle and then pull. Yeah, it's a little difficult, but once the child gets it, it's not that difficult. Go inside the loop, the needle will go down, you get the needle up and the thread will go around the needle, you pull it out. You want to see how pretty it looks? Isn't it looking just wow? So you can do this on the entire border. So what you could do is you can create such patterns, you can make such stitch, and you can use this matty as your place table mats, and you can have a food, or you can even turn this into the purse. So the options are many. You can choose what you want to design with it. So you're doing the cross stitch, so you have to go diagonally right and then come down and go onto the left. Up, cross, down, come up, from down, from the top right you go down, right bottom, then come up, top right, go down, 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 up, left. Superb. This is how this will look, the cross stitch. So this is the weaving kit. In the weaving kit you have this car with 2 wheels. They are punched and the child will have to do a stitching on the matting so that the car stays. This is the beginning thing. The way you teach your child to stitch buttons, these are the felt buttons. The second is this envelope. Ask the child to stitch this here with the help of the buttons, the heart button, and then using the thread you can roll it over so that it stays. These are the 2 bookmarks, you can decorate them. These are the 2 coasters, these are few buttons. You see this needle, the matty sheet, and the thread, and the weaving guides are given. With this we have the buttoning activity. So as you see, this is a perfect activity for fine motor development. So these are the four, there are four flowers.